little revision about equivalent fractions. So equivalent, let me remind you, equivalent means equal. So I'm trying to find another fraction that is equal to the first one. And also let me remind you of the number up and the number down. The number up represents the numerator, which means a part of the fraction. And the number down means denominator, which is the total parts. So the first example here is 2/3 equals 4 what? So the number that is missing here is the denominator. So I think 2 times what give me the 4 that is ready for me, and I multiply the same number to get the denominator. So 2 times 2 is 4. So I need to multiply down. 3 times 2 is 6. So now I got the first one. If I have the third fraction to find, which is I have a missing numerator here, we play a game, and I made it in class a lot. Just cover the one in the middle, okay? So 3 here times what give me the 12? 3 times 4. So I multiply up. 2 times 4 is 8. So the first time to get the first fraction, I multiplied by 2. The last fraction, I need to cover the middle one and think 3 times what give me the 12? 3 times 4, and I multiply up by 4. So I used 2 times table. I used times table 2, and I used for the last fraction times table 4. Okay? Let's do the next one. 1/5 equals 2 what? And I have a missing denominator again. So I know that 1 times 2 is 2. So I need to multiply down with the same times table. 5 times 2 is 10. Very good job. And then for the last fraction, I need to cover again the middle one. And I look down in my denominators. 5 times what give me the 15? 5 times 3. So I multiply up. 1 times 3 equals 3. Excellent. Let's try the last one. 3/4 equals how many eighths? So 4 times, of course I know that 4 times 2 is 8. So I multiply up by 2. I will have 6 as a numerator. And then I hide the middle one. Now I have the missing one is the denominator. So I need to think 3 times what give me the 9? 3 times 3. So I multiply 4 times 3 equals 12. I hope this is helpful, and I love you everyone.